Going to read English newspaper. Odisha CM orders judicial probe into violence against army captain finance. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manjhi has announced a judicial inquiry into allegations of custodial violence against an army captain and his financier at the Bharatpur police station. The Odisha government set up a commission of inquiry and the investigation will be led by Justice retired Chitranjan Das, who is expected to submit a report within 60 days. The Odisha CM confirmed that the concerned police officers have been suspended and a case has also been registered against them. The state government is fully concerned about the dignity, safety, and rights of women. The police officers concerned have been suspended and a case has also been registered against them. Action has been taken against the youth involved in the incident. The CMO said in an official notification the Odisha government has expressed deep concern over the incident, which involved allegations of assault and misbehavior against the army officer and his financier. The notification emphasized the matter's public importance, warranting an inquiry under the Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952. It has come to the notice of the state government that cases and counter case has been lodged alleging misbehavior, assault on a woman and a serving army officer inside Bharatpur police station, and whereas the state government are deeply concerned about the issue and are of the opinion that this being a matter of serious public importance should be inquired into by a commission of inquiry under the Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952. The Odisha government wrote in an official notification the commission will investigate the sequence of events leading to the reported incidents, the roles and accountability of individuals involved, and will suggest measures to prevent future occurrences of similar incidents and security of women. The headquarters of the commission shall be at Bhubaneswar. However, the commission may hold the inquiry at any other place as may be considered necessary for the purpose. An official circular by the Odisha government stated. The incident reportedly took place on September 15 when the army major and the woman went to the Bharatpur police station to complain against some miscreants who had harassed them while returning from a hotel late at night. Instead of addressing their concerns, the police allegedly tortured the major and the woman, even sending her to jail without any justification. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.